Greetings everyone. Presenting a Nintendo Switch console that experienced some issues. We addressed the issue by replacing the charging port and identifying a faulty P13 IC that was shorted. This likely occurred due to damaged charging port pins. In the following, we'll demonstrate the process of replacing the IC to restore the console to optimal functionality. I refrain from using flux during the IC removal process. Instead, I apply flux only after attaching the IC to the board, aiding its smooth insertion. Employing a quick rework station, I maintain a temperature of approximately 350 degrees Celsius for this procedure. This approach ensures optimal efficiency in IC handling and placement. The solder melting temperature typically ranges between 220 to 230 degrees Celsius, and this can be managed with controlled bursts of heat. A little clean and we are ready to test. The short seems to have gone. Perform a rapid reassembly followed by a power test. Great, there's some activity. We will allow the device some time to charge and we'll fast forward to the next stage. Now that the console has been reassembled, let's proceed with a brief testing phase to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Let's give this screen a thorough cleaning. We highly recommend using a screen protector for added protection. A screen protector offers multiple benefits, acting as a sacrificial layer to absorb scratches and safeguard the original screen. It provides crucial impact protection, mitigating the risk of cracks or damage during accidental drops. With oleophobic coatings, many screen protectors resist smudges and fingerprints, ensuring a consistently cleaner and clearer display. The additional layer of durability shields the screen from everyday wear and tear, contributing to an extended device lifespan. Moreover, maintaining a well-protected screen enhances the overall condition of the device, potentially increasing its resale value. The tests have been successfully passed. If you like our video and found it helpful, be a mate and give us a thumbs up. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more tech tips and tricks to share with you.